Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel USMLE Drone. I am Dr. Maria Sayed and I am here to help you navigate through the skies of USMLE preparation with tips, tricks, and insights that will help your drone soar seamlessly. Let me introduce myself briefly. I am an ECFMG certified international medical graduate and have been actively involved in exploring healthcare around the world. I have taught medical students as well and am intermittently engaged in volunteering and freelancing to improve learning and education through various initiatives. Now let me dive into our core objectives. We will spotlight the best materials to ensure you are focusing on what matters most for your exams. You will learn how to tailor your practice sessions for optimal efficiency while focusing on high-yield concepts. You will master strategies to manage your time and boost your confidence, turning stress into success, and of course, solidify your foundational concepts as they go a long way. Our content is useful in your preparation for other exams as well, including FCPS, PLAB, MRCP, COMLEX, and AMC. So this is to highlight the USMLE structure. There are 3 steps in total, with step 1 focusing on basic principles and foundational knowledge. This is an 8-hour-long exam with 280 MCQs. Step 2 is a clinical knowledge exam, which tests your clinical understanding. This has 318 MCQs and is a 9-hour-long exam. Step 3 is approximately a 16-hour-long exam divided over 2 days. It tests the application of medical knowledge and skills for independent practice. So this was just an overview to gather insights to how the exams work. With a multitude of resources at your fingertips, choosing the right ones can be overwhelming. This is to give you a general overview of what may be utilized. You should never feel bound to stick to a resource that you're not comfortable with. Learn to customize things according to your learning needs. Now, as you can see, there are numerous question banks, books, videos, flashcards, and podcasts. But here are some resources that I found helpful in my journey. You can explore these and customize them according to what your learning needs are. So starting with the question banks, UWorld comes with a paid subscription, which most of you will be utilizing. Amboss is also helpful for revision and practice. Then we have books like First Aid, Pathoma, Kaplan, Mehlman, course books, medical ethics. Obviously, you will be utilizing course books as well since they were your first friends in the whole journey and you can easily fall back to them if you want to clarify any underlying concepts. Then we have videos like Boards and Beyond, Dirty Medicine, Osmosis, Sketchy, Randy Neal videos. You can easily go over these to have a better understanding of your underlying concepts with the help of visual illustrations. Videos like Boards and Beyond come with slides, so if you can grab those, that would be helpful for you. All of these are very handy, but here I would like to say that I'm going to be consolidating all of these for you so that you can streamline your preparation accordingly. We will try to protect you from burnout, as it is a very real thing and can cause stress and subsequently affect exam performance. We aim to align your preparation. The USMLE content outline revised as of 2024 given online. This outline is your go-to when you are unsure what kind of resources you want to follow. So here you're going to pick the topic out and go to a particular resource to begin learning. Ultimately, it is about steady progress. There are ups and downs, but to remain consistent is the key to acing these exams. This is a listing of the way to approach your study plan. You can find the subjects mentioned here are for all the steps, but you can pick out the ones relevant to you. On the other hand, the systems have been comprehensively mentioned in the USMLE Content Outline 2024. These are 2 approaches to study effectively, and you may begin either way. For beginners, I would say it is best to approach subject-wise, especially if you are in medical school during your early years. Otherwise, you can take on the systems if you are not sure how you want to study yet. yet. As we explore the best tools for focused practice, research has shown that active learning yields better test outcomes and enhances long-term retention. This is aided by practicing questions, which develops problem-solving skills. I will be presenting questions, answer explanations, along with any learning algorithms, topic reviews, buzzwords, and points to remember. So that's our motto, which is simple yet full of meaning. Navigate smarter, lift learning, and enrich your mind. That's the way to go. If you are ready to lift off, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you look forward to in the comments. Welcome aboard.